Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that everything is be okay to use, okay? So let's come back and keep them coding the things. And the last two videos we are understanding how to work into variables, numbers or texting, conditionals. But today we are working a specific and very important command for working to conditionals because in the life all time we need to make a decisions if you go into one side or the other side if you have it taken make it is this action or this other action. So today we are see how to work into conditional. Okay, it's a very important because the conditional is the syntax they move the world. Okay, they make it the world around because is using the if conditional you can implement the I think we are called the business logic, the great part of logic that implement your code. You are using the this command if. So today we are working for this. Okay, so let it go. Let's start. Open your Visual Studio, open your project, and let's working rock and roll. Yeah, very nice. Let's start. Come on. Okay, so I we are creating two methods in the last videos. Okay, so working to simple variables and working to calc. And we can see continuous in this same project. Okay, so if you don't saw the other videos, I recommend you show it, please. But if you can to work start from this, don't worry, we can to make it is. So let's close this solution. If you already have this solution course, we are creating a new solution to start today. Okay, so create a new project option and search for console application on template. So let's see, waiting the things. If you're already having the recent project, you can choose for this, or while you need to insert the text until the things watching for this in this place. Okay, so select the console application and next see determine where your location to save the things, and the name for project is simple conditional example. Okay, so clicking next. The .NET version is 3.1 for while, and clicking creating. And let the Visual Studio make it the magic in creating everything that we need to work in. Okay, nice. So the things are creating. So let's creating our example for today now. Good. So let me increasing a little think about the size of layers. So we are having our project looking for the solution explorer. Remember this is place to understand every part the every part of the things the our solution. So we have the dependencies and we are working the more simple dependencies is all .NET Core. Okay, so you have only a class called program. The mem class it's need to execute in our code. And inside for this class called program, we have a block of code called main. It's a method. In the future, we are when are studying and think about for class and methods, we are installing this in details. We see this in details, okay? But for IO, everything that you need, every you need know is in this part of code we are executing things. Okay, so we can create variables like the last videos. So if you're creating a variable called age, insert a value, for example 17, this line make a part for this my method. Okay, everything are between these pairs of keys make a part from my code for my main method. Good. So to test the conditional, the first example is saying if you, people basing for your age is legal age, right? If the people have a legal age, the people need to have 18 or more age. So to verify this using this syntax, if, okay, if I using parentheses, and inside the parentheses, sorry, I add my conditional, my role, the role of game to determine this block of code have executing or no this block of code. Okay, so my conditional is the variable age is more or equals 18. So this define the people is the legal age. Okay, so I inserted the text on the screen using the console writing. Okay, inserted this command. If you don't need writing everything key by key, you can use in the shortcut CW double tap. Okay, so I legal age. Oops, wrong text. Sorry. Legal age. Okay. This is a simple conditional. Okay. I came to using the bar complete conditional is using the is else word phrase. This word. Okay. So if is I defined my rules of game, my conditional syntax, and if don't meet the conditional, I option, then I have this is the else, because the else get every result that don't meet the conditional, right? So in this case, if the people don't of legal age, I'm writing the screen on the screen, sorry, is underage, sorry. It's a kid, it's a kid, sorry, it's underage. So it is my simple conditional to working to if structure. Okay, so let's test this. So let's executing. Let me get inserting on breakpoint, executing using F5. So start. Waiting some moments, and voila, my debug is completed. Looking for the screen of the buggy, the black screen, yeah. And the result is underage, sorry, because the age is minus. Okay, so let's change the age to verify again. The people have to 23. Execute again. Of legal age, good. So that's fun to working, very simple to working this conditional. Okay, so let's create another scenario for this. So I have let me see, thinking about the scenario for school grades. Yeah, I need evaluating if the student pass or fail. So we are creating an example for this. Okay, so I create a variable in double because the notes can be in decimal. Is I have two notes, the media one. Okay, my first note, oh, it's using anyone, note 1, 7.5. My second note is and 2 and 6. Oh, okay. So if I consider that my student to pass the average of final media is necessary is 6.5, my conditional is evaluating the average, this calc, and verify if the student pass or fail. Okay, so before let's calc this. Let me do the calculation for average media. No, average, only average. Okay, so n1 plus n2 and divide for 2 because I have two notes, okay? But I need to take care for this calc because I need add second note for the first for after implement the division. So I need using this parentheses to realize first this addition calc for while so then implement the divider. So take care with this using parentheses for this specific case and I receive my average final media. Okay, so now we can to implement the conditional evaluation. So my average is more or equals 6.5 or I can to thinking the people need have more of 6, okay? 6 to simplify the things. So I write on the screen, pass it, congratulations, woohoo, very nice. But if the people, the student don't have these, don't achieve on these points, I'm so sorry, but you need talking to your fathers and study a little, think of more, so fail. Okay, it's a one form to make it is to create the things, but you can't use it on different. So let's change the situation for implementing different for these, okay? Because they're very similar. The conditional is if the average is different, okay? Scenario is if the average is minus 6, so fail. In other case, pass it. It's the same thing, but in different form to implement it, okay? I only turn to see the logic. Good. So let's let's verify this. To simplify the verify, let's write on the screen the result of the calc. Okay. So average equals let's using this dollar syntax the last video. Okay, insert a variable value. Okay, nice. So F5 execute again code, let's taxes, complete execution, and voila, my student having 6.75 and pass it. For me, this column option because I'm using the standard of Brazil, okay? So if you're using your standard for your country, I don't know, United States or the other place, Canadian or I don't know, every part of the world using showing the notation for standard for your country, okay? So I'm very happy because I have people for United States saw this video. So hi people, hello from Brazil. So nice, we are completing this, and this is a simple form to working to conditional. Okay, if you have some issue, question, comments, I don't know, subjects, you can to add a comment. And I hope you can to understand this because it's very important to understand for the next subject that we'll cover in the next videos, okay? So share your friends these videos, give me a like please. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe in this. You can to grow and helping to grow in the channel. So, and I feel so very happy for this, okay? So I gone. I hope you have a nice day and see you coming in the next video. Bye bye. I gone. Joia.